We got a package from Renewed, and to be honest, it looks like it's been through hell and back. Not only that, the package set me back 656 euros, and I'm a little worried what's rattling inside. Hey, my name is Joey, and I'm going to review this iPhone 11 from Renewed. Let's open the package carefully. I'm using my trusted karambit knife here. I found this phone through the Renewed website. It's strange that you can't buy directly from them, but instead you have to buy from their official partners. As an example, in Austria, the partner company happens to be Hofer, an Austrian grocery store chain. That seems a bit odd. Anyway, let's get back to the package. It's wrapped in a clear duct tape, classic bubble wrap. But the phone looks brand new. I never seen an Apple sticker on a phone before. Not even a single scratch on the phone. I wonder if they replaced all the parts with genuine Apple parts, because changing the backside is expensive. The sides are looking clean and the back is in pristine condition. The lightning port looks like it was never used before. Wow, so far thumbs up. This is the cleanest refurb phone I've ever seen. Good job, Renewed, so far. Besides the phone, there's some paperwork, a used looking lightning cable, 5-watt power brick, and a SIM ejector tool. I'm curious if there's someone's SIM card inside. But fortunately, there isn't. Let's turn it on and see if it works. Nothing. Let's try using a charger and see if that helps. Oh, it seems like the battery is completely dead. How interesting. We will have to wait a bit. Alright, let's set it up real quick. So it's been 5 minutes and the phone says it's still setting up my Apple ID. Let's clean the phone in the meanwhile. When reviewing phones, I always use foam glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to clean them. It's just a habit. I like the phones clean. Let's check what the phone's doing. Still setting up my ID. Great. So it's nearing 10 minutes now, and I'm losing my patience. There must be something wrong here.
A few moments later.
Finally, we are at the home screen. But what version of iOS is this? There's no app library? What, how? How can you not have app library? I think I found the reason. It's running the iOS 13, which was released in 2019. This could be the original software this iPhone was shipped with. Let's quickly check the battery health and see what it shows. The battery health is at 100%. This condition and on iOS 13 it's likely that the phone has been a demo unit or just on a shelf somewhere. Let's update the software to the latest iOS version. Unfortunately we can't because the battery needs at least 20% charge. And we got like 16 at the moment. So for now, let's set up and test the Face ID. Setup has completed successfully. Let's test it. Face ID is working flawlessly and just as quickly as on the newer iPhones. Now the update was successful. We are on iOS 16. Let's see what we are working with. First I will check the battery health using the phone. We have a message here. Health reporting system is recalibrating. Time for the Coconut battery app. I would take this 86% design capacity with a grain of salt, but the battery is indeed original and more than 1200 days old. I mean, if a battery is left drained for so long, potential issues could arise. Let's check the cycle counts, and it's showing one cycle with 89% health. So that confirms my theory that this phone may have been sitting in stock somewhere for 4 years, perhaps unboxed and returned. I don't know. Since this seems to be a new phone, we don't need to test it extensively. However, let's run a Geekbench score on it anyway. More than 700 points, that's not bad. After all, the A13 Bionic chipset is still incredibly fast. Let's try how the Asphalt 9 is performing on this iPhone. Now, overall, I'm not so thrilled about my purchase from renew.com. Let me start by saying that the iPhone 11 looks and functions like a brand new phone. However, the price was relatively high and I had to pay more than I expected. Another disadvantage is that you can't buy directly from Renewed, but instead you had to go through the resellers. Maybe that added some extra cost, I don't know. So if you're considering buying a refurbished Apple product, I highly recommend checking out other companies like Swappie or Backmarket. I hope you like this iPhone 11 review from Renewed. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Joey signing out.